Hi everyone! Welcome to this video. Have you ever done a cool science experiment but then felt stuck on how to write it all down? Don't worry, many people do. Today, we're going to learn how to write a great lab write-up, step by step, perfect for middle school science. It's easier than you think, and it helps you show off all your hard work and what you learned. Let's dive in. First, you need a title. This should be short and tell exactly what your experiment was about. Think of it like a newspaper headline for your science project. For example, the effect of different sugars on yeast growth is a good title because it's clear and specific. Then, include your name and date. This is simple but important so your teacher knows who did the awesome work and when. Next, write down your purpose or question. This is why you did the experiment. What were you trying to find out? An example might be, the purpose of this experiment was to find out if plants grow taller in sunlight or in shade. Or, does the type of soil affect how fast a bean sprout grows? After that, comes your hypothesis. This is your educated guess about what you think will happen. It's not just a random guess, it's based on what you already know or have observed. You can write it as an if, then, because statement. For instance, if plants are grown in sunlight, then they will grow taller than plants grown in shade, because sunlight provides energy for photosynthesis. Following your hypothesis, list all your materials. This is a list of everything you used in your experiment. Be very specific. Don't just say plant, say 2 small bean plants. Don't just say water, say 200 milliliters of tap water. The more detail, the better. Then, describe your procedure. This is a step-by-step list of exactly what you did. Write it like a recipe so someone else could follow your steps and get similar results. Use numbered steps and start each step with an action verb, like 1. Gather 2 identical bean plants. 2. Place 1 plant in a sunny window. 3. Place the other plant in a dark closet. After you have done your experiment, you will have data and observations. This is where you record everything you saw, measured, and heard during your experiment. You can use charts, tables, or written notes. Write down actual numbers if you measured things, like plant in sun grew 5 centimeters. Also, include any interesting things you noticed, like the plant in the shade looked pale. Once you have your data, it's time for analysis or results. This is where you explain what your data means. What trends did you see? Did one plant grow more than another? You might say, the plant in the sun grew an average of 2 centimeters more per week than the plant in the shade. You are just stating the facts from your data here. Finally, you write your conclusion. This is one of the most important parts. In your conclusion, you need to answer your original purpose or question. Did your hypothesis turn out to be correct or incorrect? Explain why, using your data as evidence. You might say, my hypothesis was supported because the plant in the sun grew taller, showing that sunlight helps plants grow more. You can also mention what you learned and any ideas for future experiments. Maybe you'd wonder, what if we tried different colors of light next time? And that's it. You've written a complete lab write-up. It really helps you understand science better. Thanks so much for watching and learning with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun science tips and tricks. See you next time.